Alright, today is day 3. We're at the top of Grosse Scheidegg, and we're going to bike to Meiringen, and then to Brienz, then to Interlaken, and back to Grindelwald. Basically a big loop, and we are cheating. We're at 6,400 feet right now. We took the bus up here, and hopefully it's mostly downhill on the way back. You ready for this?
Let's do this.
Alright. So this is our route today. We're starting at the top of Grosse Scheidegg and ending in Interlaken. We have about 6,400 feet of drop, 1,700 feet of climbing, and about 33 miles. If you hear that sound, you better get out of the way quick, because the bus is going to smush you. The bus driver was kind enough to help us load and unload our bikes off the rack. We spent about 20 minutes at the top, just admiring the view and watching people crazy enough to climb get to the top. These fashionable hipsters look like they're riding mopeds from the 50s. They got a lot of laughs and thumbs up along the way. Here's some of the views from the top of Grosse Scheidegg. I feel like we got real lucky with the weather. As you can see, most people are just wearing shorts and short sleeve shirts. And there's a whole lot of view to take in.
We had a whole biking team or something. A lot of people coming up.
Domestique.
Oh, really?
So that we can get a good video.
Get him, get him, get him.
Show him what the skinny guy can do.
Nice. Yeah.
Now it's time for our descent. Over the next 9 miles, we drop about 3,200 feet, and we only gain about 26 feet, so you're riding the brakes for the next hour. I'll stop and take a photo. Amazing to see these older people. Everyone we passed is 20 years older than us. I'm gonna pass on your left. Got a bus up? You there? You'll see throughout the video that there are a lot of bus stops along the way. They're spaced about 2 miles apart, so if you have a mechanical issue, there's always a rescue bus, and they run about once an hour. If you're following us on the map, this is the Grindelwald Schwanenboden bus stop, and we're about 1.7 miles into our trip. This is the kind of landscape Jen likes. Just open rolling green hills. We are wrapping up the first 10 miles and we're pulling into the town of Meiringen. The bike route from Meiringen to Brienz we did the previous day, so today we're going to take the train. If you were to bike, it's about 9 miles, slightly downhill the entire way, and it takes about 45 minutes. These are pictures from the previous day where we did that route. This section between Meiringen and Brienz was just a nice gradual downhill. We were cruising along at 16 miles an hour with our fully loaded bikes. And here we're pulling into Brienz at the train station, which is also where the ferries take off from. We stopped at a co-op in Brienz and bought enough stuff to make a little picnic lunch. We were really excited about this roast beef and the creme brulee. If you're in the Brienz area, be sure to check out the Ballenberg Outdoor Museum. It's a small village with 100 historic homes that you can tour. I'll leave a link in the description below of our video about Ballenberg.
What are they?
People dress like chicken chips. Oh, there you go. Roast chicken and caramelized onion seasoning. Definitely roast chicken, like straight out of Costco rotisserie. Yeah, with the onion.
Good?
Advertised correctly. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah.
Lake Brienz is known for its really turquoise water. It's beautiful. I had a slight crash here where the curb cut ended just as I was popping up onto the sidewalk. Bounced on the main road. Luckily no injuries, no blood.
Oh, shit.
Luckily this planter box limited the height of my fall. My little derailleur holder came in handy today. It bent my derailleur in a crash, so luckily I have a spare derailleur hanger. And I'm just going to try and swap it out real quick. Luckily the derailleur seems to be okay. So that's the end of the downhill portion, and now we have a 550-foot climb from Brienz to Geissbach Falls. And it only keeps going up. Even Blue Shirt has to get off and walk his bike. This is the view of the Geissbach Hotel from Geissbach Falls.
Yeah.
What's the grade? Yeah, we see the yeah, that's not the picture. Oh, never mind. There's no castle. Is that all? Yeah. Like I'm trying to here, but crashing those. Saloon. Look at these Swiss people having a good time. We finished our ride at Interlaken Ost, or Interlaken East train station. Here's a few pictures of Interlaken from a previous trip. We took the train from Interlaken to our hotel in Grindelwald. When you bring your bikes on the train, you have to buy a bike pass for 15 Swiss francs, and it's good for the entire day. Train compartments that are meant for bikes have a little bike icon on the door. The train ride from Interlaken Ost to Grindelwald takes about 45 minutes. We're in Grindelwald now, and this is kind of the main street that goes through the town. And just wanted to give you a quick glimpse of what the town looks like. It's Mountain Festival tomorrow. Mountain Festival is Wednesday. That's what they call Hump Day. This is our hotel on the right, Hotel Volter. They have a cellar underneath for storing bikes and skis, so that worked out well for us. We had dinner and continued to bike around the town until about 8:30. This is the view from our hotel room in the morning, and the bus depot is right out front of the hotel. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks again for watching.